We have worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer, and we wanted to share it with the world.
Got 2 chains repaired here, next day service and a fair price, plus the friendliness and professionalism of the owners means they've won a lifetime customer. Not much to look at from the outside, but definitely worth checking out.
We want you to experience the best customer service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.